Hey guys, this morning we're cooking breakfast on the Blaze LTE Pro 40-inch griddle. Want to point out that the griddle now has leveling adjustments, but right now we have it perfectly level because we're going to be showing you how to cook the perfect pancake and the perfect egg. So we're going to take a stick of butter, a little pat of butter here. We're going to put it on the griddle. It's been preheated already, up to about 300 degrees. We're going to melt it, and we're just going to crack the egg, and you'll see that it holds its shape perfectly because it's level. Take another little pat of butter, crack another little egg. Perfect shape. We'll do a little pancake right here. You can see that with the temperature at 300 degrees, non-sticking, egg just moves around perfectly. Perfect egg every time. With the LTE Pro 40-inch griddle, you have over 36 inches in width that you can do as many pancakes as your heart desires. So we're just going to fill this up. So if you have a large family, you don't have to go very far. Just light up your Pro griddle and let her rip. The unique thing about this LTE Pro 40-inch griddle is that it actually has a leveling device in the back of the grill where when you want to pitch the griddle forward to where the grease will run off into the trough, you just take 2 screws and you tighten them up, screw them inward, and it'll pitch it about 1/4 of an inch to where it has an angle. So now we're going to come back with this beautiful thick cut bacon right on the griddle, and then later on you'll see the grease just naturally gravitating into the grease trough up here in the front. So what's great about this grease trough on this Pro griddle is that you can move all your food over to the side, over an unlit burner, and then evacuate all the grease by just scooting it over into the trough. That's it, guys. That's how you cook breakfast on this LTE Pro griddle. You just take all your food off, wipe it down with a paper towel, get all that grease off, turn your burners off, and you're ready for your next cookout.